Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now guys. In this video I'm talking about YGG token Yield Gulid Games coin guys. What's the price changes occur in the YGG token. In this video I will share the latest update of YGG token, so keep watching this video complete, and if you are new in my channel, please also make sure to subscribe our channel guys. Anyways, let's start the video guys. The right now price of YGG token is about 6.39 USD dollar, 6.39 USD dollar. That is the right now price of YGG token. And furthermore, if you study the changes update, so negative 18.15% changes occur. Now you can see here the price becomes positive. That's you can see here, and now negative 17.95% changes occur in a YGG token. So now they start pumping guys. Anyways, you can see, oh my god, trading volume 120% trading volume increase just in last 24 hours guys. Now I'm sure that due to this positive trading volume, the YGG token will pump highly guys, due to this trading volume guys. I really love YGG token, and I recommend for you to, if you want to buy YGG token, so that's good. That's not a bad idea for all of you. And now higher possibilities guys, that in the beginning of a new month, YGG token price will pump highly guys. Huge pump will be taken by a YGG token in the beginning of a new month, so I also recommend for you to buy now guys. Anyways, what is your prediction, what is your update about YGG token? And guys, please tell me in the comment box that how do you feel today about YGG token guys. I'm feeling very good guys, because now you can see now they start pumping guys, and the trading volume changes is also positive guys. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.